gotta go. You gotta go.
Did I really just forget that melody? When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of hot chop. Baby, so cold, he from the north.
Say, shawty. Say, shawty, what you doing?
Huh? Nah, I'm just so glad I finally come to your house, you know. And especially because you out of work because of this quarantine stuff. You know, I'm down for it. I'm down, you know.
Yeah, you been one through the other, you know.
I'm down, you know.
And you're all up in that phone, son. Open that phone, probably on your side piece.
Baby. You doing too much. You play too much, boy. You play too much. I'm not texting. No, I'm on Snapchat. Look, I'm on Snapchat, boy. Play too much.
Oh, you on Snapchat? I bet that's what they all say on Snapchat.
Hey,
I'm
so
ignorant. You come
ignorant.
ignorant as dick. Come suck over here. You heard him playing with me.
Boy.
Yeah. Okay.
Coronavirus!
God.
Where you going? Boy, where is you going? I'm not sick. I don't have this stuff. Come sit back down.
I don't want that.
I have corona.
Come around my
Oh my god, I don't have that. Come sit down.
Disinfect your way.
You know I don't have that. So, you was talking about me doing what again?
You gotta get out of this house.
But this
You
your
gotta get out
house.
now.
You want me to get? You really want me to get out? Wow. You really want me to get out? Cause I slide car. My car ain't even that big.
You ain't got no slight car.
Oh my god.
That ain't no little car. You got that shit.
My car ain't even that big.
You got that corona. You gotta get out. You gotta get out.
Wow. My car ain't even that big. Oh my god. My car ain't even that big.
You gotta go.
Wow.
You gotta go.
Wow.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Wow. You really want?
You gotta go.
Wow. You really want me to leave because my slide car? I ain't even.
You got this.
Oh my god. And I was planning to spend the night. You know.
Go.
You already know my college
gotta
shut
go.
down. My mama don't want me to come back home right now.
got this.
She with her boo
That
there.
stuff. I don't care if you can't
You
stay.
know.
I don't care if you can't stay with your mama. You gotta find somewhere to
ain't
go.
got no ride
You gotta ride
home.
home. You better find one. Better start hitchhiking. Put that little thumb up.
You just wrong for that.
They gonna take you somewhere.
totally
They got
wrong
somebody
for
out there on that
You
road. Some old white man waiting for you. Bye bye.
You know what? You
Bye-bye.
You just wrong for that.
You had fun. You ain't coming to my house with that. Yeah, no, what the fuck gotta hear with this shit. Bringing that into my house. Bye bye. Thank you. Don't come again. Get out of my house. That dumb ass cough and that crooked ass wig you got on. Have fun. Yeah, you and that musty ass cough get out my house. You and that dusty ass cough get out my house. I don't know where you gonna go. Bye.
China bitch. So if you wonder where your motherfucking weave or your fashion over motherfucking packages have arrived, guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made this video at like 3 at night.
Oh my gosh, I also forgot to say shout out to my girl Kaylin because she gave me the idea to do this video. Thank you, girl.
In the editing, it took me a while, but I did it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Please try to get me to 200 because we already got 100. 200 subscribers. You heard?
Legal crackhead.
But you know, this video was for jokes and games. But on a serious note,
Stay inside.
On a serious note, y'all, please stay in your house. Do not go out, do stuff. Mainly for Louisiana people, because y'all don't know how to listen down here. Y'all want to go outside and go to parties and stuff, and you want to be complaining about your chest hurt and you can't breathe when you get home. Well, maybe you should have stayed home in the first place. You shouldn't have been out doing anything. But anyways, it's besides the point. But for real, y'all, we in this together. We got this. No matter how boring it is, y'all just stick.
Oh my god, I'm just so motivated.
Shut up! Y'all just stay inside the house. And even if you think that you're immune to it and stuff, it's not just about you. Like, think about others, you know, older people and babies. They can catch it easier than us. Like, so just be mindful and stay.
Y'all need poor grandmama getting hurt and she can't cook no more food for her grandbabies if she got Rona.